Hey, car lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to get the most out of your car and save some money at the pump, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase your car's MPG, that's miles per gallon, so you can drive farther, save money, and reduce your carbon footprint. Whether you're driving a compact sedan, an SUV, or a truck, these simple tips can help you boost your fuel efficiency. Let's dive in. Our first tip is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your MPG. Check your tire pressure. Low tire pressure can cause your car to use more fuel, reducing fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires create more friction with the road, which makes the engine work harder. Ideally, your tires should be inflated to the level specified in your car's owner's manual or the sticker on the driver's side door frame. Checking your tire pressure is quick, inexpensive, and can improve your fuel economy by up to 3%. So make sure to check your tire pressure at least once a month and before long trips. Next up, maintain a steady speed. Rapid acceleration and sudden braking can hurt your fuel efficiency. In fact, driving aggressively, accelerating hard, speeding, or slamming on the brakes can reduce your MPG by up to 30% on the highway. Whenever possible, try to drive smoothly. Use cruise control on highways to help maintain a steady speed and avoid unnecessary acceleration. Slower driving at or just under the speed limit can improve your fuel efficiency. By maintaining a steady pace, you'll be able to get more miles out of each gallon of fuel. Here's a tip that you might not think of. Lighten your load. Keeping unnecessary items in your car can add weight, and this extra weight means your engine has to work harder, burning more fuel. Heavy items in the trunk or back seat can decrease fuel efficiency, especially if you're driving around with things you don't need. Take a few minutes to clean out your car and remove excess weight. Also, if you don't need a roof rack or roof box, take them off. These can create extra drag, reducing your MPG by up to 5%. Another simple tip is to avoid idling for too long. When you leave your car running for extended periods, you're burning fuel for no reason. If you're waiting at a long light or stuck in traffic, it's often more efficient to turn off the engine and restart it when you're ready to go. Idling for more than 10 seconds typically uses more fuel than restarting the engine. Small changes like this can add up to big savings over time, especially if you're stuck at stoplights regularly. Another key factor in improving your MPG is to keep your car well maintained. Regular maintenance is essential for maximizing fuel efficiency. Change your oil regularly. Use the right type of oil for your car. If your oil is dirty or low, it can reduce engine performance and efficiency. Replace air filters and make sure your fuel injectors are clean. Staying on top of routine maintenance such as oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug checks will help your engine run smoothly, reducing fuel consumption. Let's talk about tires. Choosing the right set of tires can make a significant difference in your MPG. Low rolling resistance tires are designed to reduce the friction between your tires and the road, improving fuel efficiency. Make sure to get high-quality tires that are compatible with your vehicle and rated for fuel economy. All-season tires are a great choice if you live in areas with mild weather. Proper tire maintenance, like rotating your tires every 6,000, 8,000 miles and ensuring they're properly inflated, can help you get the most out of your tires and improve your fuel economy. Now let's talk about your air conditioning. While it's tempting to keep your AC running all the time, using it excessively can reduce fuel efficiency. When you drive with the AC on, the engine has to work harder to power the compressor, burning more fuel. If you're driving at low speeds, consider rolling down the windows instead of using the AC. But at higher speeds, it's more fuel efficient to use the AC, as open windows can create drag, which also reduces your MPG. So there you have it. 7 simple tips to increase your car's MPG and improve your fuel efficiency. By making small adjustments to your driving habits and maintaining your car properly, you can save money at the pump and keep your car running efficiently for years to come. Remember, it's all about driving smart, staying on top of regular maintenance, and making thoughtful choices about your car's performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more fuel-saving tips. Drop a comment below with your own fuel efficiency hacks, and I'll see you in the next video.